In this video, you will learn how to download Minecraft on your iPhone in 2025. First, what you need to do is go to settings and then tap on software update to ensure your iPhone is up to date. Now open the App Store or Play Store and tap the search icon in the bottom right corner. In the search bar, type Minecraft. You will notice that there is no official pre-version of Minecraft available. The only version listed at the top is paid version. The price may vary depending on your country's currency. For example, 1900 rupees. To purchase it, tap on the game, confirm the purchase and sign in with your iCloud ID. Then add your credit or debit card details if you have not already. Once the purchase is complete, the game will start downloading and installing automatically. That's it, you can now play Minecraft on your iPhone. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.